So student, today we are going to learn about the landforms and the people. Our lives are in many ways shaped by landform around us. Lands are often defined by what kind of houses we build, how we travel, what we eat, what we wear and what we do. Let's see the example how the life in the mountain it differs from the life of plain. So life in mountain. On mountain it is usually cold even in summer and it is hard to grow crops. Also there is a very little level land for growing crops and for building houses and roads. Crops are often grown on terraces and cut into slopes. So in the mountain the crops are often grown in terraces cut into slopes like wheat, maize, millet, potatoes, peas and some of the crops. Some mountain slopes has an orchard. Some mountains have an orchard for growing fruits, apples, pears. The slopes of volcanoes may have a fertile soil. The slopes of Mount Etna are the example of growing crops. Sheep and goat are reared for the meat. Goat give milk. Yak are reared in the Himalayas for meat and wool. They carry load and help the farms. Llamas are reared in Andes for meat and wool, and alpacas are the good quality of wool. The houses in the mountain are usually have a sloping roof. Why they have sloping roof? So that water cannot be stay on the terrace and they can slowly slide down or move. The houses in mountain are usually have a sloping roof so that the water, snow can slide down easily. Many houses are made up of locally available things like a wood and stone. It is difficult to travel and transport goods as roads are hard to build. Most roads are narrow, steep and winding. That means roads are narrow, steep and winding. Many places in high mountains are completely cut off when the road is covered with snow. Towns and cities in mountains are generally not very large. Most people are farmers while some people work in a generate hydroelectricity. These are not many factories in mountains that are rich in mineral. People can work in mines and many tourists visit the mountain. So can earn mountain people can earn living by running hotels, slope restaurant, by arranging transport, adventure activity, tourist and by selling the handicraft. Now how the life in the plain. On the plain the life is easier on the mountain because in a plain the fertile soil is there, agriculture facilities are there, roads and houses can be built easily and they can transport things easily. So on a plain life is easier than on a mountain. It is usually as cold as in the mountain and there is a level of land for growing crops, for building houses and roads. Alluvial plains are generally very fertile. That means alluvial plains are fertile. Many kinds of crops including most of our food crops are grown on them. Many kind of animals can be reared. Road and railways can be built easily on the level land. It is easy to travel and transport goods. Rivers are usually flow gently in the plain. Boat can ply on them. There are many factories, offices and shops so people can do variety of job. Most people live on a plain so there are many villages and towns in the plain. There are different kinds of houses, some tall apartment. Most people live in villages, town and cities, work in factories, offices, shops, and so on. So thus we have learned the life on the mountain and the life on the plain differs. So students, read the lesson carefully